My name's Lloyd Gorman. I'm lead design engineer at CCE Holding. We are an Austrian-based company who are currently developing and realizing power plants in 7 different countries and currently have a pipeline of around 5 gigawatts. Before we started using PVcase Ground Mount, we were essentially, at that point, mainly building rooftop plants. And the way they did it there was for a table, they would draw a rectangle, and they'd leave a space and draw another one, and so on and so forth. And the problems, of course, many problems occur because of this, but one of the main things is some slight change happened to the project, you'd have to redraw it completely. So as obviously PVcase is much easier, and it would just regenerate all the tables automatically, and the time savings humongous, yeah. Yeah, I would say we're probably saving even more time. Yeah, we have 4 licenses currently, and we're being inundated with the amount of project requests, and PVcase is allowing us to get through those in a timely manner, but also more importantly, a detailed manner. I think as a whole, PVcase is extremely important from start to finish. One of the features that we've been for 4 years now with PVcase, and one of the features that we found great was exporting to PVsyst and then importing into PVsyst the design. Before doing so, we had to redraw the whole project in PVsyst. It took a lot of time, and yeah, the time saving in that is great, and it also allows you to, in PVsyst, take into consideration all the shading, inter-row shading, and also from the terrain, which is extremely important when carrying out yield analysis. Yeah, I think it's very easy. What we'll do is I'll usually give a brief introduction on the software itself. I'll maybe run through a project with the new staff member, and then the PVcase Academy will send them in that direction where they can, run through different tutorials and get to know the features from, what you need to do in the beginning and what the process steps are. We've always had a very close relationship with PVcase, and I believe that it's actually one of the reasons we chose PVcase is because we looked at other companies and we found that PVcase were much more responsive in our emails. And when we email, if we don't know how to do something, it's usually only a day or so, and we'll have a detailed response, and sometimes we'll even send the DWGs and we'll receive them back with the problem being solved. So for that, it's very easy to bring on new staff, and they very quickly get up to speed with the rest of us. Yeah, the PV support team have always been great for us. So we've been 4 years now at PVcase, and it's never slowed down. It's always, if anything, got quicker. I know that when we looked at some other softwares, when we were first doing our analysis, they were telling us that you'd have you could have 1 training session at a price, and every question you asked cost so much, whereas PVcase are more than willing to always help out and better the software as well, which is great.